Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Catherine, and in case you didn't know, it is the year 2018, and this year's Pantone color of the year is Ultraviolet. You might have noticed I have some purple eyeshadow on my eyes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I have this cute little color of the year inspired eyeshadow tutorial for you. I didn't just do purple, I did a little purple and bronze halo eye. So if you want to learn how to do this color of the year inspired eyeshadow, then just stay watching. Alright pals, I have my foundation and brows done. I will put those products in the description box as always. And to start out today, I am taking the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I am using my Colourpop blending brush and going into this dark purple shade. And we are going to be putting this on our inner and outer corners. And now that we look like a bruised potato, we're gonna take a clean blending brush and blend upwards. I am only blending up and not over. I will add a transition shade in a moment. Don't worry, everybody. Now I'm going to take a different, fluffier brush and I'm going to lightly dip into this light purple. I swear this brush is clean. All of my brushes are stained. I think it's because I bought a Morphe palette. I'm very lightly going in here. So light. And I'm going to go back into that dark purple shade and just add some more into this inner and outer corner because I just really want bright purple right now. And using the same brush from before, blending up, not over. I'm just using like small, like sort of back and forth with like a little bit of a, I'm using elliptical motions. Pretend your little brush is like an elliptical and just, I'm in such a weird mood right now. Now that it's like all blended up, I'm just very lightly bringing my brush over because there's not really any of this dark purple on it. I just kind of want everything to be seamless. Alright, now for the tricky part. This is the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette, and this is the shade I'm going to be using. It's a very true coppery shade. Coppery bronze, I guess. And I'm just gonna use my finger because this shade has so much fallout. So okie dokie. I'm just gonna dust off this powder. I don't know what's up with Colourpop's shimmer shades and all their fallout, but and I'm gonna take the dark purple brush and just kind of blend the purple into the copper. This bronze is one of the softest, most glittery shimmer shades that I've ever used, to be honest, and I kind of don't love it. Like, I haven't really used it. Like, I've used it maybe twice and 3 times, and like, it's so indented. It's crazy. Now I'm gonna take an angled liner brush, and we're gonna take the dark purple and go onto our lower lash line the same way we did the upper lash, not upper lash line, upper lid. And I'm just placing it in a way that sort of blends it as I'm placing it, like, again, sort of elliptical motions, being very light and gentle, because I don't want to smoke out my liner at the bottom a lot today, because I've not been loving that look on me lately. Keep it kind of thin, classy, you know. And I'm going to take this Real Techniques accent brush, go very gently into that copper shade, and I'm going to wet this brush after I get the copper shade on here. Place it right in the under eye in the center. And now I'm going to take this light shade on my pinky, place it in my inner eye. I would buy a 12-pan palette of just this shade. It's my favorite inner eye shade. And honestly, like, my favorite any light shimmer shade. Alright, that is it for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go do some liner, lashes, and the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, this is the final look today. I went with a warm face and lip look to just complement the eyes today. I ended up not doing lashes. I kind of wanted to, but then I didn't want to hide this eyeshadow. So that's it. If you liked this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you want me to do more of these purple ultraviolet color of the year inspired eyeshadow tutorials, and I will definitely do that. I love purple. I can't get enough purple in my life. So I'd be more than happy to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.